In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Snapchat Bitmoji feature. Now, this is a great way if you don't potentially want to use your face. With Bitmoji, you can create like artificial version of yourself using the Snapchat feature. Now, of course, open up your Snapchat app, go to the top left, and then if you already have your avatar, it will be visible here in the middle. If you don't, you will have a button as I do, create my avatar. Now, if you have your avatar, instead of create my avatar, you will see edit my avatar. But in this scenario, I want to click on create my avatar. You just create with the camera, tap on these features down below that you want them to use, click on continue, and then that's basically it. It's done. Then you can edit your avatar or select your outfit. And now, as you can see, now that I have my avatar, I can choose the outfit for my avatar. I can even choose the background for them. I can do a lot of different things with it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.